Hey people, what's up, wagwan? So you know sometimes you meet a girl, right? And you want to do something different, yeah? So you said, hey babes, you know what? Come to my house, I'm gonna cook for you, okay? She says, alright. So she comes to your house and you cook her a very hot meal of dumpling and butter with some Julian carrots on the side and a tomato rose for garnish. And you can use this cocktail to seal the deal. Stay tuned. So the cocktail that we're making today is called the Oreo Sundae. It's a very milky dessert, frozen. It's pretty good, you know? Okay, so we're gonna start off with 2 ounces of milk, 1 ounce of coconut rum, an ounce of rum cream. We're gonna use a half a banana and some Hershey's cookies and cream. Lastly, we're gonna add ice and blend. And we're gonna garnish the glass with some Hershey syrup. Add some whipped cream. And Oreo cookies and cream. Another easy to make cocktail with simple ingredients you can get pretty much anywhere. I'm pretty sure that you'll like it and I'm sure the girl will like it as well. Now, if you have any questions for me, you can drop them in the comments below, or just comment to tell me what you think about the drink. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.